There's like, I
Yeah.
don't know if you know this, but like 4 tiers of the application. So the first one would be if you just apply, if you just send your CV, you go on the company, you see an opening and you go like click and you apply. And that you are competing against everyone. And unless you are like super exceptional, it's really hard to get a job. Then you move to the other
Yeah.
tier, which is referrals, which I mean, you get when you're talking with someone from the team, someone from the company, and they send you a link. But then you have like the hiring team and the hiring manager. And the goal for you is to be on tier 1 or tier 2 if you can get to the hiring team and the hiring manager. So that's the goal. And when I realized that was when I actually started optimizing my LinkedIn, because I realized that, and this is for you as well, like LinkedIn is your landing page. Everyone's going to check
Yeah.
out your LinkedIn, even if you don't create content. And if you do create content, you're going to show up in all these people's feeds because LinkedIn's algorithm is amazing. So when I started realizing these, people started reaching out to me and say like, oh, there's this opening, would you like to apply? I can send you a referral link. Oh, would you like to talk more about this and stuff like this? And then it's you that gets picky about things and not you just accepting anything that comes. So you get like, okay, I don't want this, this is not me, so let me just move a little further and actually wait for the opportunity to come. And I think LinkedIn is amazing on this. So I'm going to start sharing my screen. Okay,
Yeah.
let's go. So the first
Right.
thing, look, I just entered your LinkedIn. What is missing here? You don't have a cover picture. Like everything that's just the basic things should be optimized and should be filled. So for example, the first thing I see is like you have no cover picture, which you can put something. You can put like a skyline, a skyscraper, a sunset, something from India. You go to your city. You can do something on Canva. Like I'm not very creative. So I go on
Yeah.
Canva, I see some templates, I get inspiration from other people, and I try to do something that's me, that says something about you. Who are you? Like tell me something without words. So your cover picture
Yeah.
is your
Yeah.
opportunity to do so.
Yeah.
And
I can put something related to my hobbies or something like my favorite quote as well, right?
yes, you can do that. Then
Got
like
your
your
point.
your profile picture, I think it's good, but it can be more centered because there's more of, I don't know where it is, like the ceiling and stuff, than your face. So people want
Yeah.
to see your face. So you can put something that's more central, but it's good because it's you. There's some people don't even have a picture. So that's already good. Then here, this is the headline. And the headline, so the profile picture and the headline might just be the most important thing of your LinkedIn profile. Because your headline has, you know what SEO is? Search engine optimization. So someone comes here and they write like, hey, let's say like a financial analyst, finance, let's go. And then it appears a lot of people. I'm not going to click because I'm going to click out of your profile. But when you come here to people, the people that rank higher for SEO are the ones that going to appear. So the more you can repeat keywords from the desired field you're trying to get into, let's say engineering, right? The more you're going to show up in the feed when someone's searching for someone that actually is in engineering. So you
Yeah.
can like, what are you, junior or something? This is what you're currently doing, right? Working for an IT Trichy. I don't know how you say it like this.
Yeah.
Hey, this is something else. You can add keywords here. Say like engineering, say like some specific keywords you need to feel comfortable saying that you are like passionate about. So your skills, the best skills
Yeah.
you have.
Yeah.
Oh, no,
Like I'm enthusiastic
yeah.
about machine learning. I have put there ML and twist.
Yes. But for example, you can actually write machine learning instead of ML, because if I go and I want to find someone that's working on machine learning, and I'm telling you, because I'm currently like also recruiting people. So I do this and I'm trying to search for people. And if you get just ML, I'm not going to find you. Like if I'm looking for someone
Yeah.
from machine learning, I'm going to write machine learning. So write the actual words. Otherwise, you're not going to show up. Another
Yeah.
thing here, and I think this is very underrated, but it's very important, people also viewed. So these you can change in settings and take this out. I can tell you how to do it after. But like people also viewed, this is your direct competition. So imagine I'm a recruiter, I come to your profile, I scroll, and I see people also viewed, and I'm like, ooh, this guy, Shri, ooh, he's a deputy manager. Whoa, he looks more interesting. Let's go and click it. And I go like out of your profile and I'm never going to see you again. So this is your competition and you're giving it away.
Yeah.
This is crazy. You can
This
literally
is
change
very
this.
important point. I never thought of this. Yeah, it's very inspiring to learn it.
Yes. Okay, then your about section. Let me see. Okay, this is cool, but this looks like a resume summary, you know? This does not tell me enough about you, like about your life, your path, where you come from, where you're trying to get, as well as it's saying a lot of things like you're a team player and a passionate learner. I think this is really cool, but this is also something that I could say about myself, you know? And another person, like my grandma, could say that she's a team player. Like this does not make you special, you know what I mean? Like you should say
Yeah.
something like, oh, I've been learning machine learning for 3 years and I've built this app, and you put the link, something that tells me that you're skilled in that field. That, or you can say like, I've worked with a team of 4 people on a super cool project of
Yeah.
like on C++. You can check it on my GitHub page.
Uh,
That says you're a
yeah,
team player,
yeah,
no?
I'm basically improving myself. Like I'm a bit introvert, so I don't put something like I am doing this, and like I keep it very simple. Like I used to prefer means very short and nothing. I don't like means addressing myself. Like if, even you will see na, like my last post, many people write, "I'm glad that I achieved this." I wrote simply, "Just achieve this." Trying myself, long to go.
Okay,
Like I don't
so
like,
yeah.
I'm glad, I'm excited to share. I don't means I'm bit like I'm improving myself.
Okay. You don't need to be like super excited, but you need to like at least showcase the things that you're doing, or just tell your
Yeah.
story. You don't need to say, look, I'm amazing, I did this project, I'm so excited. No, you can say like, I worked for 3 months in this project and resulted in this. So it's more factual, it's more like analytical kind of results, you know? Like
Yeah.
you can make your about set, star format when you answer. So you get like situation, task, action, result. You can do it more like that, and tell me
Uh,
something about you that is special about you, that doesn't make you same as my grandma. You know what I mean? So you can do this. And as an introvert, and I think a lot of people come to LinkedIn and they are introverts and they have a lot of success because you can convey
yeah.
yourself and your thoughts
Con-
through words.
yeah, content writing is a great thing. I go through your content that motivates me a lot. Like you shared your experiences, like you met with an accident on his one, like
Yeah.
that was sad. Hope you are safe.
Yeah, everything's
Yeah.
okay. It was just sometimes I try to raise some awareness on some topics I'm passionate about, and that's it. But I'm
Yeah.
glad it resonates with you. Okay, let's come. You have more than 500 followers. That's important. Okay, here you interact with people. You're super supportive. This is what your last post is, right? Okay, where's is your featured section? You have no feature section. This is your opportunity here to like showcase again. Do you have a GitHub page? Of course you do. Like you gotta have it. It should be here.
Yeah.
Your personal
I will
portfolio, your
yeah.
best
I will
posts,
add
like here. Yeah.
yeah, I will add the resume in feature section and some certifications I do have. I will add that.
Okay, let me just check something here. I forgot. Okay. I'm already connected, so I can see. But you gotta have an open profile as well. So this is something that recruiters can come and they can message you directly without spending their emails, and anyone can message you. Like people just message me, and anyone can message me, and that's also important. Let me see your experience. Okay, cool. Look, I'm coming from a perspective of a recruiter or something. I come here.
Yeah.
I think Prodigy neat. This is super cool, but your technical secretary, I don't get it. I don't know what project in it is, because this is probably a company from India, and I don't know what this role is because now they just give random roles to people. I don't know what you've done. So if you can like write a small description about what the company is and about your impact. So you can say, I don't know, like what you do as a marketing manager. Oh, I run one marketing campaign where I reach out to an email listing of 1,000 people and got a response rate of X, got how many leads, like quantifiable impact. It's the same you do on your CV here. Like you gotta tell people what impact you have. And again, like the keywords you want to rank for. So let's say engineering, let's say machine learning. If you're doing them here, repeat them again. Because if you repeat your keywords in your experience section, in your about section, in your headline, in your skills, you're going to rank higher than people that actually have more than like 1,000 like plus for that specific skill, which is crazy. but you can do this, and it's like so simple. Just repeat everywhere you use it. Okay, so that's for the experience. Education, if you can add something here, like courses you've taken, like your skills, like projects you've done, associations, volunteer, wherever, you can showcase here as well. If you have good grades, show them here as well, like wherever you can. Okay, you're active, you do a lot of certifications, that's super cool. Okay, shows you're like trying to learn more. Volunteer, okay, you can just, the same for the experience you can do here, just tell me what you've done. Okay, skills and endorsements. You should have at least one in each. So you can ask one of your friends to rank, because look, if I come here and I like endorse you for this, you're already showing up in the feed for machine learning. You just need one for ranking for this skill. If you don't have any more, then it's fine. Like you already have one, so you can just show for machine learning. That's cool. Okay, projects. No problem. Projects, awards. Okay, you have things. You can add more things here. Let me see what you have. Okay, this is cool. You're very active. You can add more like courses. Anything you can add, you should add. And
Yes.
I guess that's it. Overall, this is it. And then if you want to go the next step, create content. Reach out to people, you know, from your fields. Comment on people, like, I don't know who's from machine learning, but like reach out to people that are from this field. Comment on their posts, because you're going to show up. And one thing that's really important when not only you create content, but other people, is that you know the time they publish. For example, I publish every single day at 10 a.m. from Lisbon time. And the first hour of the day, I'm just replying like to comments. So if you do this on people that are, for example, experts on machine learning, you are the first person to go there. They're probably going to reply to you, and your comment's going to get a lot of likes. So then people are going to go to your profile, or they're going to send you a message, or they're going to follow you, you know? So like just be having the following and engaging with people in the field that you're trying to get. I think this would be like next step.